question. What is the number one attribute for a great salesperson? I want you to think about that for a moment. In fact, why don't you pause here and write down your answer in the comments below. Go ahead. Today we're looking at the power of achievement drive in sales. Well, welcome back everyone to another 5-minute sales training. Hey, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and the like button too, if you don't mind. Your engagement helps us to get these weekly lessons in front of even more salespeople. Now, I have to tell you, I regularly get asked by sales leaders for my opinion on the top attributes of great sales professionals. And I always share with them my top 3. Coming in at number 3 is coachability. I have to be working with someone who is willing and able to be coached. At number 2, I look for positive energy. I can't teach that. Either they have positive energy or they don't. And number 1 on my list, achievement drive. Winners win because of their drive to achieve success. Now, why is achievement drive number 1 on my list? Well, it actually begins with the writings of the psychologist Frederick Herzberg. Now, I read all about it in this textbook here. I will say this is the one textbook that I actually read in college. It's from Harvard Business School. Frederick Herzberg talks about achievement drive as the number 1 motivating factor. Why is it so important? Well, for starters, it's internal. Either you have it or you don't. But beyond that, achievement drive speaks to success versus movement. It's not just about doing things, it's about achieving things. There's a difference. But the other reason why I find this so important is that achievement drive affects literally every aspect of success in sales. So how do you measure your own achievement drive? How do you know if you're someone who's got achievement drive in buckets? Well, first, you don't need a kick in the pants to do your best work. You do your best work because that's all you know how to do.
That's what I do!
Second, your quotas are not your goals. Your quota is what your boss gives you and says, this is what we need in order to make our business plan. But your goals are higher than that. And then third, you hate to lose more than you love to win.
And I hate losing, Charlie. I hate it. I hate losing more than I even want to win.
Now, let me just pause here and ask. If you don't have a high achievement drive for sales, what do you have it for? Look, life is short and you get one chance to do this right. You want to leverage your achievement drives for the things in life that really matter for you. And if it's not sales, fine, move on. But if you do know that you have a high achievement drive in the area of sales, how can you leverage that? How can you take advantage of that? How can you drive your own drive enough to move you forward into new heights? So let me make a couple of suggestions for what you might want to do with this concept. First, talk to others. Have an honest conversation about achievement drive, about how active it is, about how much you have. Remember that all change begins by telling the truth. So be honest about it. And second, leverage the activities that fire you up. You might have a high achievement drive, but it doesn't mean that that drive carries through to every single thing that you do in sales. You can work to shore up the weak areas, but you're much better off exploiting the areas where you're already strong. And then the third suggestion is to be your own boss. And when I say be your own boss, what I mean is don't wait for your current boss to motivate you, to drive you forward, whether that's with a carrot or with a stick. You see, based on their achievement drive, high-performing sales professionals manage their own career and they manage their own success. They even manage their own behaviors and activities that are going to lead to the things that will make them more successful. That's one of the reasons why I tell people to join Sales 365. It's a place where you control your own success because it's that important. So how important is this to you? Great salespeople are noted for their high achievement drive. It's time to boost your drive to take you to new levels of sales success. Hey, thanks for watching today's 5-minute sales training, and until next time, my friends, learn more to earn more.